let's build a kamikaze.
I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your Rockstar bar girl. And in this video, we're going to be learning how to make the kamikaze. I encourage you to look up the story of the origin of this cocktail because it's pretty interesting. But the reason why I like to teach this drink to my students is because it helps me to illustrate a lot of different drink making rules and techniques. I'm going to put each drink rule and technique that it addresses up on the screen for you just so that you can see how much we cover just by learning this drink. And so you can see why I love using this cocktail as a teaching tool. It's also a cool drink for you, the student, to learn because it's an easy drink to learn, keep in your pocket, experiment with, and pull out whenever a fussy guest asks you to, I don't know, surprise me. The recipe for the kamikaze is super simple. It's just 1 ounce each of vodka, triple sec, and lime juice, garnished with a lime. It's typically served straight up, but as you know, any cocktail served straight up can also be served on the rocks. As you remember from videos like our martini video, a straight up cocktail is made by shaking or stirring our ingredients over ice and then straining them into a chilled martini glass without ice. But when we serve this cocktail over ice, we must make it in a rocks glass. And this brings us to one of the most important rules that the kamikaze teaches us, which is what glass to choose when building a drink over ice. You'll remember from our glassware video that a drink with multiple liquors and a mixer like soda or juice is usually served in a tall glass. However, when we work with grenadine or lime juice, we don't treat them like other mixers. Even though they're non-alcoholic and referred to as juices, they're actually concentrated syrups, and they're way too sweet, and in the case of lime juice, way too tart to be used to fill an entire glass. Instead, we treat them like a spirit and use very small amounts. So for this reason, a rocks glass is the appropriate glass to choose when building a drink that has lime juice or grenadine as its only mixer. The next rule this drink teaches us is about how to decide whether a drink should be shaken or stirred. The general rule is that drinks made of all clear ingredients, like spirits, vermouth, and bitters, must be stirred, while drinks that call for cloudy, thick, or creamy ingredients, like sour mix, sloe gin, or cream, should be shaken. This drink calls for lime juice, and whether you use the traditional thick, syrupy Rose's lime juice or cloudy, fresh lime juice, this drink should be shaken. Hi Rockstars, sorry to interrupt your video, but I wanted to let you know that I cover this material and so much more in my online course, The Fundamentals Every Bartender Must Know. My course is designed to teach you everything you need to know to get a rockstar bartending job, even if you've never worked in a bar or restaurant before. My course includes 6 lessons, 2 bonus lessons, quizzes, assignments, downloadable PDFs, flashcards, a course completion certificate, and a free Rockstar Bar Kit, my custom 16-piece bar tool set. Everything is available now at therockstarbargirl.com. Okay, back to the video. So let's build a kamikaze. To my shaker, I will add 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of lime juice. I'm going to add ice and we'll shake vigorously. Now that we've shaken our ingredients vigorously, we can strain this into either a chilled martini glass or into a rocks glass with ice based on the guest's request. As you can see, this drink teaches us a lot of rules and techniques that go into drink making. But the coolest thing I like to use the Kamikaze to teach is how to turn a cocktail recipe, any cocktail recipe, into a set of shots. We've covered a lot of material in this video, and I don't want it to be too long. So if you're interested in learning my method for turning any cocktail recipe into a set of shots, head on over to my website, therockstarbargirl.com, and click on the course, How to Turn Cocktails into Shots, the Kamikaze. It's completely free when you create an account, and it's available now. If you found this video helpful or you just liked it, make sure to click on the thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them for me down below, and of course, subscribe. Click on the bell button so you're notified the next time a new video comes out. Follow me on Instagram at rockstar_bargirl, and of course, head over to my website, therockstarbargirl.com, to continue this lesson, enroll in my online course, or grab my custom Rockstar Bar Kit. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Rockstars.
Rockstar.